All right, so now I can go into my vendor center over here. So now I'm going to go on to the left-hand side to the expenses, which is what I would call basically my vendor center. I'm going to close up the hamburger for now. Now the first tab then once again is going to sort those items, which last time we saw that most often you think about the open bills, but now we have purchase orders. So I can select the drop down. If we have purchase orders, we might be in here quite often looking and sorting by the purchase orders. So there we have it. And then I can look at my filters where we have the status. We can look at the open purchase orders versus the closed purchase orders. Open purchase orders, let's select those. Then we could select the payee or category of the items, payee. So if I select the open ones, here are the open ones. I could select then the closed ones. Here are the closed ones. What happened here? It won't let me scroll down. That's annoying. Let me just make the screen size smaller. Filter, and then I can select the closed ones. Boom. All right, so those are the closed. So obviously what will happen here if I go back to the open ones is we can search by the open purchase orders. There's our purchase orders. Once we receive the actual inventory, we can imagine the teacups or whatever we bought comes in. Then the second thing in our flowchart is we go to here, we enter in essence the bill, which means we're going to basically enter a bill here that we could create from the purchase order. So in other words, if we see that the teacups tie out to what we have on the purchase order, then we could make a bill from the purchase order. Before we do that though, let's take a look at the vendor side of things. And you'll recall that we have our set sorting or filtering items up top, and I can filter by purchase order. So I can filter this way and I can say, okay, there's the two ones with a purchase order. Here's vendor number 1 with the purchase order. And now we can also see our purchase order this way. I can resend it if I need to send it this way. I can copy to a bill, print, and so on and so forth.